Whether you are dreaming of bringing exotic goods to your local market or sharing your country's treasure with world, this tutorial is your first step toward making it happen. Hello everyone, this is Sulaiman. Today I'm talking about the import-export business. Why start an import-export business? Before we jump into the how, let's talk about why. Import-export businesses are the backbones of global trade, offering unlimited growth potential, the thrill of working with international partners, opportunity to bring unique products to new market. Sound exciting, yes? Let's get started. Step number 1, find your niche. The key to success in import-export is specialization. Ask yourself, what products I am passionate about? Is there a gap in my local market for certain international goods? What unique products from my country might appeal to foreign markets? Remember, your passion will fuel your persistence. Step number 2, research, and research. Knowledge is power. In the import-export game, you will need to study international trade regulations, understand customs, procedures, and tariffs, analyze market demand for your chosen products. Let me give you a tip. Like government trade websites are gold mines for free, valuable information. You can check there. Step number 3, build your network. In import-export, your network is your net worth. Start by altering international trade shows. Join online forums and LinkedIn groups, for example. There are many groups for importers and exporters, so you can join them. Connecting with local chamber of commerce, this is also a possible thing to get information. Remember, every connection is a potential business opportunity. Step number 4, sort out legalities. Time to make it official, you will need to register your business, obtain necessary license and permits, familiarize yourself with international commercial terms like Incoterms. I already make a video on this. Don't skip these steps, it's very important. It's crucial for smooth sailing later. Step number 5, finance your venture. Starting an import-export business doesn't have to break the bank. Consider starting small with dropshipping, exploring government grants for new exporters, partnering with investors who share your vision. Remember, many successful businesses starting from humble beginnings. Step number 6, master logistics. The success of your business hangs on getting goods from point A to point B efficiently. Learn about different shipping methods and their costs. Insurance options for international shipments. Tracking systems to monitor your goods. Logistics might seem daunting, but it is the lifeblood of your business. So to wrapping up, there you have it, your roadmap to starting an import-export business. Remember, every global business tycoon started right where you are now. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and you have just taken it. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. If you have any question regarding international business or logistics, custom, anything, you can just comment me. And for any kind of product sourcing, You can contact me also if you need anything from Turkey. So you can contact us. Our websites are given in the descriptions. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Bye bye.